The long-awaited debut of Google AI Bard finally happened. We previously shared with you that the tech giant is working on Google Apprentice Bard AI. Just days after the news, Google Code Red Alarm seems to be paying off with a little name change. The Google Bard AI chatbot is the company's latest advancement in conversational artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge AI technology aims to revolutionize the information gathering process and how we use search engines. What is Google Bard AI? Meet the expected ChatGPT killer. Using a set of deep learning algorithms known as large language models, the Google Bard AI chatbot can respond to questionnaires provided via text. The chatbot is built on Lambda technology and is programmed to use the web to find the most recent answers to questions. An experimental conversational AI service developed by Google, Bard AI learns from its encounters with humans to improve its performance. Google's CEO Sundar Pichai introduced the Google Bard AI chatbot in a blog post, showcasing the company's recent priority on AI. Pichai has expressed his enthusiasm for adapting cutting-edge AI research and development to real-world problems. Other organizations, such as OpenAI, have surpassed them in terms of AI developments and applications because of the rate of technology advancement and delayed decision-making at huge firms like Google. OpenAI concentrated on generating high-quality models and letting people discover their own uses for them, while Google worked on incorporating AI into their existing business plans. Launching as a lightweight version of Lambda in Google Search, the artificial intelligence chatbot Google Bard has the potential to revolutionize the way people find and use information online. What is Lambda? Lambda is the language model that people are afraid of. After a Google employee believed Lambda was conscious, the AI became a topic of discussion due to the impression it gave off in its answers. In addition, the engineer hypothesized that Lambda, like humans, expresses its anxieties through communication. First and foremost, it is a statistical method for predicting the following words in a series based on the previous ones. Lambda's innovativeness lies in the fact that it may stimulate dialogue in a looser fashion than is allowed by task-based responses. So that the conversation can flow freely from one topic to another, a conversational language model needs to be familiar with concepts such as multimodal. Google